How Wahyd is revolutionizing logistics with AI automation. Logistics can be complex, empty miles, delays, and rising costs. But what if there's a smarter way? Wahyd Logistics is transforming the game with AI automation. With Wahyd's patent-pending AI platform, every journey is optimized. Orders are verified in real time, eliminating delays and errors. Wahyd connects shippers with the right transporters quickly. Competitive bidding ensures cost savings for businesses, while drivers maximize their productivity by avoiding empty trips. Less wasted miles means lower carbon emissions, helping businesses meet their sustainability goals while saving money. Wahyd Logistics is not just about moving cargo, it's about driving efficiency, reducing costs, and building a sustainable future. Ready to revolutionize your logistics? Let's get started with Wahyd.